square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So x equals positive 3 plus or minus the square root. Negative 3 squared is positive 9 minus 4 times 1 times 1 is 4 all over 2 is going to simplify to 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Since the square root of 5 doesn't simplify at all, I'm done and I move on. This one is already in standard form, so I start singing my song. X equals opposite b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So 6 plus or minus the square root 36 minus 4 times 11 is going to give me 44 over 2. So this will give me 6 plus or minus the square root of negative 8 over 2, which is 6 plus or minus the square root of 8i over 2. And now I need to simplify the square root of 8. 8 is 4 times 2, which is 2 times 2. So this would give me x equals 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 2i over 2. And now I can see that 6, 2, and 2 are all divisible by 2. It's a lot of 2's in that sentence. So this will simplify once I divide by 2 to this over 1. And we can say that's the same thing as 3 plus or minus the square root of 2i. Last one. X equals opposite b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Whoops, I was already multiplying that one. So negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 144. This is going to turn to a plus, and that'll be 180 over 18. So that would be negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 324 over 18. And I really hope that's a perfect square. When I type in my calculator, it is. So negative 12 plus or minus 18 over 18, which would split up to 12 plus 18, which is 30, comma 12 minus 18, which is negative 6. And those two fractions reduce to 5 over 3 and negative 1 over 3. So that's it for a quadratic formula. The most important thing is make sure you know your formula. So go study that and sing your song.